Hello guys, welcome back to Codei, and here I am your friend Sam again with yet another video to help you to understand what is bitwise and operator. So let's not waste any even the millisecond, and let's dive into the video and learn what is bitwise and operator and how it works. So before we actually know what is bitwise and operator, let's try to understand uh, what are bitwise operators. Bitwise operators manipulates individual bits of any given number. Okay, to perform this bit level operations in C, we have uh, bitwise operators, bitwise operator and bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, bitwise shift right and shift left. Okay, today we'll exclusively see what is bitwise AND operator in C programming. Okay, what is bitwise AND operator? It actually returns value 1 if both operands have the 1, and it returns 0 if any of the operand has 0. Okay guys, you will understand it better when we actually work out a simple problem. Let's work out and see. For this will clear most of your doubts. So let's take number 15 and 20, and since we will be manipulating bitwise, manipulating bits, we have to represent these two integers in uh, binary representation. So how do we represent 15 in binary? That is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, and we represent 20 as 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, and all that we have to do now is we have to AND these two integers, that is ANDing 15 and 20. Let's see what would be our result. And as I have told in the definition that when the bitwise AND is used, if both the operands have ones, then our answer will be 1, and if any one of the operand has 0, and our answer output will be 0. So here 0 0, and both the operands are, in both operands we have 1, so our answer is 1. Here 0 0, of course 0 0 0 0 0, and this is what our answer. When we AND 15 and 20, this is what we get, and this answer represents the decimal value 4. Okay guys, that represents the decimal value 4, that is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. This was our answer. So let's write a program and run, and we will run our program for the same values 15 and 20 and see what we get as the answer. Writing a program for bitwise AND operator is not that Herculean task, it's not that difficult, it is so easy, and all we have to do is declare two variables, and I have assigned 15 and 20. This is what we have taken in our examples, and printf, and in the fifth line in the printf statement we have specified that this program should AND a and b, that is 15 and 20, and in our worked out problem for the same numbers we have got answer 4. Okay, let's run this and see what would be the answer. Here it is guys, the output is 4. Okay, and this is how the bitwise sum and operator work. Thank you for watching, keep supporting me. Until the next video, this is Sam signing off. Bye bye, love you, cheers guys.